Located in northeast Saskatchewan on Treaty 10 territory and homeland of the Métis, the McClean Lake Uranium Mine and Mill has been safely operating for over 20 years. For the past 20 years, the tailings or waste material left behind when the uranium is processed has been managed in a mined-out pit on site called the TMF. This tailings management facility is an environmentally sound way of managing the waste material, but it will reach its capacity in 2027. Orano Canada is proposing an expansion of the current facility as it is the best option when all aspects are considered. The expansion will use the existing infrastructure and does not impact any new areas of the environment, including wildlife, surface, and groundwater. Right now, tailings are allowed to settle to the top of the pit on the lowest side. The expansion would mean that an embankment is built around the top of the pit, so that the tailings would settle to a height level with the high side of the pit. The embankment has been carefully designed and will be well monitored. Studies have been conducted on its stability. The risk of a failure is unlikely to occur during operations and post-decommissioning. The material used to construct the embankment will come from the existing clean waste rock pile, maximizing its use and minimizing its footprint. The expansion will be done in phases, as more capacity is needed. When the expansion is complete, we will be able to add 2.3 million cubic meters in tailings storage. The expansion will allow Orano to make decisions on future mining projects in northern Saskatchewan, knowing there's a long-term tailings management plan. Over time, the tailings will consolidate and the water will be removed. Consolidated tailings behave like a sturdy paste. They are not free-flowing. They are self-standing. In the final stages of decommissioning, the slope of the embankment will be flattened for even greater stability, and cover of waste rock will be placed on the tailings. We will then shape the area and plant grasses and trees to match the local environment. When decommissioning is complete, the tailings management facility will be a safe and stable landform that is part of the landscape. How to manage tailings beyond 2027 has been considered and explored since the mid-2000s, and there have been many meetings, presentations, and open houses on the topic. While it is the preferred option, a number of other alternatives have been explored. Orano could use a different on-site mined-out pit for a tailings management facility, possibly in the Sioux C or E areas of the site. While this is technically feasible, it is not preferred, as those areas are not prepared for this type of facility. A new area of the environment would be subject to the waste, and there would be a substantial cost to building the transport system and water treatment plant and managing a separate facility. Transporting tailings from the mill to any of the Sioux pits located 15 kilometers away from the mill is exceptionally challenging in our cold winter months. We also considered a purpose-built freestanding facility. This tailings facility would need to be located off the existing surface lease due to space requirements, and therefore would impact a new environment and watershed. Although feasible, this option is not currently preferred due to the expanding environmental footprint and associated costs. Orano's proposal for the expansion of the current facility was resubmitted in November 2019, and we have been advised by the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission that the project will require a decision by the Commission Tribunal. We are preparing for that public hearing, scheduled for September 2021, and encourage interested parties to watch for opportunities to participate in the process. For more information on the proposal, see the Orano Canada website or contact your local member of the Northern Saskatchewan Environmental Quality Committee or the Athabasca Joint Engagement and Environment Subcommittee. You can also contact Orano directly by phone or email. It's our goal to continue delivering the benefits of uranium mining and milling to northern Saskatchewan, and we welcome your questions.